Hi there, hope you have a fantastic day. This lesson, I will teach you how to use the sine rule to find unknown sides of a triangle. Of course, there is a PDF file version on the description below for you to download so you can work with me. Otherwise, let's go straight into it. Let's say we have a triangle here. Let's name this angle A, B, C. So the length that opposite A, we use lowercase a, small a if you like. And opposite angle C, we use small c. And opposite angle B, that is the side B, we use small b. So there you go. And the rule is this. For the side rule is A over side angle A is equal to B over sine angle B, or equal to C over sine angle C, if you like. This is known as the sine rule. So we use this to calculate the side of a non-right triangle. Okay, and we use this rule when two angles are given. Okay, so let's just go through one example. So first step is we identify the unknown side first. So that is x. So we know that x is opposite of angle 60. And we have angle 40 is opposite 18. So we just need to identify these two first. Then we know that the sine rule is this, okay? A over sine of angle A equal B over sine angle B, capital letter, okay? Don't forget for angle. So we already know that this is opposite of 40 degrees, and we have x is opposite of 60 degrees. That's important, okay, to identify first. So now we just simply write down x first. X over sine of 60 degrees is equal to 18 over sine of 40 degrees. So therefore, to solve for x, we just need to get rid of the sine of 60 degrees. So we do opposite. So we times sine of 60 degrees. We times sine of 60 degrees. So that will give me, so I just cancel this with this. So x is equal to 18 sine 60 degrees over sine of 40 degrees. So therefore, x is equal to, so I just put on a calculator. So 18 sine of 60 degrees, and I don't need to put the degrees because it's already default as degrees. And then I go divided by or over sine of 40 degrees. Just type 40 we do. And don't forget to close the bracket, okay? That will give me 24.25 and so on. So correct to one decimal place, 24.3. So therefore, x is 24.3. There you go. Question number 2. So first of all, we need to identify the opposite side with the opposite angle first. So first of all, we know that y is opposite of angle 70 degrees. And 50 degrees is opposite the side, which is 12. Okay, so now we just go y over sine of the opposite angle, that is 70 degrees, is equal to 12 over sine of 50 degrees. So 12 over sine of 50 degrees. So to solve for y, we just do opposite. So we times sine of 70 degrees on both sides. So I just times sine of 70 degrees. We times sine of 70 degrees. So this cancel with this. So on the left hand side, leave with y. So y equal to 12 sine of 70 degrees over sine of 50 degrees. So therefore, y equal, so just go 12 sine 70 over sine 50 degrees. So don't forget to close the brackets, okay? So it's 14.720 and so on. But because we need to round up to one decimal place, so that is 14.7. There you go. Please stop the video and try question number 3 yourself. Hi there, I'm back. How did you go? Let me go through it with you. Before I do that, please do not forget to give me a thumb up and subscribe if you haven't done so you can help me to grow my channel. So first of all, we need to identify the opposite sides with the opposite angle first, okay? So we have y is opposite of the angle 75 degrees and 40 is opposite the angle 40 degrees. So we can just draw from here to here, and just to help us to identify, so we can just apply the sine rule, that's all. So now we know that y over sine of the opposite angle, so that means y over sine of 75. So y over sine of 75 degrees is equal to 40 over sine of 40 degrees. There you go. So now to solve for y, we just need to times sine of 75 on both sides. Sine 75 and times sine 75 degrees here. So this we cancel out. So this means that y equal to 40 sine 75 over sine of 40 degrees. And just put on a calculator. So just go 40 sine 75 over sine 40. So there you go. Correct to one decimal place should be 60.1. There you go. Please stop the video and try this one yourself. Hi there, I'm back. How did you go? Let me go through them with you. So for question number 4, so we identify the opposite side with the angle first, okay? So this is opposite of D and 30 is opposite the side with 9 units, okay? So now we just go D over sine of 85 is equal to 9 over sine of 30 degrees. Now we just solve for D, so we just times sine of 85 on both sides. So we just times sine 85 degrees with times sine 85 degrees. So that cancel with this. So this means that D equal to 9 sine 85 degrees over sine 30 degrees. So therefore, D equal, I just go 9 sine of 85 over sine 30. There you go. 17.93. Correct to one decimal place, so 17.9. There you go. Question number 5. So first of all, K is opposite angle 40 and 16 is opposite angle 55. So we just go K over sine of 40 degrees equal to 16 over sine of 55 degrees. 16 over sine of 55. Then what I do, I solve for k. So I just times sine 40 degrees on both sides. So just go times this by sine 40 degrees times sine 40 degrees. So this cancel with this. So on the left hand side will give me k. So k equal 16 sine 40 over sine 55. So therefore k equal, so we just go 16 sine 40 over sine 55. So there you go, 12.555. So that means 12.6. Okay, correct to one decimal place. So 12.6. There you go. Question number 6. So we have B is opposite angle 63. And 7.8 is opposite of angle 42. So that is, we just go B over sine of 63 is equal to 7.8 over sine of 42. So now we just solve for B. So I just times sine of 63 degrees times sine of 63 degrees. So this we cancel out. So B is equal to 7.8 sine of 63 over sine of 42. So that will give me, therefore B is, so just put on a calculator. So just go 7.8 sine of 63 over sine 42. So there you go, 10.4. Okay, so 10.4. There you go. Question 7. So we just do the same manners. Okay, the angle just correct to nearest to minutes. That's all. So first of all, P is opposite of this angle and 27 is opposite of this angle here. Okay, so now we just go P over sine. Let me just write down here. So P over sine of 44 degrees 45 minutes is equal to 27 over sine of 30 degrees 24 minutes. So to solve for P, so which is times sine of 44, let me write on here, sine of 44 degrees 45 minutes. So then do the same thing on this side. So sine of 44 degrees and 45 minutes. So this cancel out. So therefore P equal 27 sine of 44 degrees 45 minutes over sine 30 degrees 24 minutes. So that is equal to, so therefore P is, so just put on a calculator. So you go 27 sine 44 degrees 45 minutes over sine 30 degrees 24 minutes. Close bracket, don't forget, okay? And don't forget to put the degrees and then the minute as well, okay? So that is 37.563 and so on. Correct to one decimal place, 37.6. So 37.6 7.6. There you go. Please stop the video and try this one yourself. Hi there, I'm back. How did you go? Let me go through them with you. So first of all, we know that K is opposite this angle here. And then 13.5 is opposite this angle. So now to work it out, so we just go K. So K over sine of 38 degrees, 14 minutes equal 13.5 over sine of 92 degrees, 38 minutes. So equal to 13.5 over sine of 92 degrees, 38 minutes. So now we just solve for K. So I just times sine 38 degrees, 14 minutes. Do the same thing on the right hand side. And I times sine 38 degrees, 14 minutes. So this you cancel with this. So that is K equal 13.5 sine of 38 degrees, 14 minutes over sine 92 degrees, 38 minutes. So therefore, K equal, I just go 13.5 sine of 38 degrees, 14 minutes. And don't forget to close the brackets, okay? Over sine of 92 degrees, 38 minutes. Close the brackets. There you go, 8.36 and so on, correct to one decimal place, so 8.4. There you go. Question number 9. So we know that N is opposite of this angle. And this angle here is opposite to 19.3. So N over sine of 30 degrees, 52 minutes. So N over sine of 30 degrees, 52 minutes equal to 19.3 over sine of 46 degrees, 15 minutes. So now we just solve for N. So I just times sine of 30 degrees, 52 minutes, times by sine of 30 degrees, 52 minutes. So this we cancel out. So therefore, N will give me 19.3 sine of 30 degrees, 52 minutes over sine of 46 degrees, 15 minutes. So therefore, N is, so I just go 19.3 sine 30 degrees, 52 minutes over sine of 46 degrees, 15 minutes. So there you go, 13.707 and so on, correct to one decimal place, 13.7. There you go. Question number 10. So we know that P is opposite of this angle here. And we have 25 is opposite of this angle. So therefore, we need to calculate or find this angle first, okay? Otherwise, we will have two unknown values and we can't do that. So we can find the missing angle by simply 180 degrees, we minus 40 plus 70 is 110. So which is minus 110. So that give me 70. So this is 70 degrees. So therefore, we know that P over sine of 70 degrees is equal to 25 over sine of 40 degrees. We can just write sine 70 we do. We're just working out, okay? So P equal to 25 sine of 70 over sine of 40. So P equal to, so I just go 25 sine of 70 degrees over sine of 40 degrees. That will do. So 36.5, correct to one decimal place. So 36.5. There you go. Please stop the video and try this one yourself. Hi there, I'm back. How did you go? Let me go through it with you. So we have B is opposite to this angle here, okay? And we have 34.7 is opposite 100 degrees. So we just need to find this angle out first, okay? So we go 180 degrees, we minus 100 and we minus 23. So it's same as minus 123. So that will give me 180 minus 120, give me 60. And minus 3, give me 57. So this is 57 degrees. So now we're going to go B over sine of 57 degrees is equal to 34.7 over sine of 100 degrees. So which is times sine of 57, we times sine of 57. So this cancel out. So therefore, B is 34.7 sine of 57 over sine of 100. So that will give me B equal to, so just go 34.7 sine 57 over sine of 100. There you go, 29.55 and so on. So correct to one decimal place, so 29.6. So 29.6. There you go. Question number 12. So we know H is opposite of this angle and 31.8 is opposite of this angle. So keep that in mind. So we need to find this angle first. And we cannot have two unknown values, okay? So we just go 180 degrees. We minus 120 plus 37. So 157. 157 degrees. So 180 minus 160, give me 20. At 3, 23 degrees. So this is 23 degrees. Let me just clear this first. So now we know that H over sine of 23 is equal to 31.8 over sine of 37 degrees. So I just times sine of 23, we times sine of 23 degrees. So this cancel with this. So that is H equal 31.8 sine 23 over sine of 37. So therefore, H equal, so now I just put this in a calculator. So I just go 31.8 sine of 23 over sine of 37. 20.6, correct to one decimal place. So 20.6. There you go. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.